Sir, I would like to ask you a question, which I think a lot of our viewers may be, probably having it in mind, but may not be aware of to how to sort of put forward. What is the current vaccination status of our country? And we are talking at these three vaccines which are already available with us. Sputnik being the new launch in the last month or so. Where are we looking at in terms of covering up our Delta strain and the Delta plus strain? And then when do we reach to that magic figure where we say that we now start looking to be safe as a country?
So, Dr. Pandit, this is a very good question. We are around 135 to 139 crore Indians. So we need to reach that magic is 100 or 110 crores Indians, either to be exposed by natural infection or to be vaccinated through vaccination program. Currently, as we stand, we have around 35 crore Indians who are being vaccinated with at least one dose. Now let us look at the split breakage of who has got vaccinated and how much. So our vaccine program started on the 16th of January. On 16th of January, we started with healthcare workers. We have around 1,70,000, 1,70,000 plus healthcare workers, and we have vaccinated a large proportion of them, 1 crore 7 lakhs. So that healthcare worker proportion, the second dose is maybe missing in a small percentage of it. We have equal large proportion of the frontline workers. Again, we have vaccinated a substantial proportion of the frontline workers with two doses, but maybe around 20% of our healthcare workers as well as frontline workers are still not vaccinated with the second dose. Then we have people above 60, and probably a large percentage, at least 70% of our people above 60 have been vaccinated with both the doses. So getting both the doses in place is very, very crucial in order to ensure that we are protected from the Delta plus variant. Then the third population is between 45 and 60 and between 18 and 45. So we need to protect our vulnerable population as quickly as possible, as fast as possible. So Government of India now has four options of vaccines, of which three are available now. The first being Covishield. Two doses have to be given 84 days apart. That is the largest prevalent vaccine today in India. Probably that dose could have been shortened, but because of the availability and larger coverage, they have kept a larger distinct. From a scientific standpoint, that dosing strategy is appropriate, if you ask me, because you get a larger boost in the second dose. As far as vaccine is concerned, it's a 1 month apart dosing strategy. As far as Sputnik is concerned, it's a 1 month apart dosing strategy. And the fourth vaccine, which is going to be available in India, is Moderna. It has got permission coming from United States as a donation, will be available in various government hospitals next week. And the fifth vaccine, which will also be getting approval from DCGI, is a Zydus vaccine where we have to give 3 doses. So remember that definitely we are progressing fast. And in the next 3 months, we need to at least vaccinate 80 lakhs to 1 crore vaccines per day. If we are able to get to those 90 to 100 crore vaccines in 3 to 4 months, we will saturate and unlock appropriately with a very small truncated wave. Our idea is that our third wave or fourth wave or fifth wave which comes should not have severe disease, should not need oxygen, and should not have caused deaths. We need to save every death with COVID now, and from that standpoint, we are marching in the right direction. Supply crunches, there are availability and access constraints, but I think India probably is leading the largest vaccination program on planet Earth, and it is progressing pretty well.